In today's video we are going to tell you about hydrating face mask. Hydrating face masks are a great way to nourish and moisturize and nourish your skin, leaving it looking and feeling healthy and refreshed. While there are many store-bought options available, you can also make a hydrating face mask at home using natural ingredients. Here's how. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon plain Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Cut open the avocado and scoop out the flesh into a bowl. Mash it with a fork until it is smooth. Add the honey, Greek yogurt, and coconut oil to the bowl and mix everything together until it forms a smooth paste. Apply the mask to your clean face, using your fingers or a brush, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off the mask with warm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that can help hydrate and nourish your skin. Honey is a natural humectant that can help lock in moisture. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which can help exfoliate and brighten your skin. Together, these ingredients make a great hydrating face mask that you can use whenever your skin needs a little extra TLC. Note: if you have sensitive skin, do a patch test before applying the mask to your face. You can adjust the amount of honey and coconut oil based on your skin's needs. If you have dry skin, use more honey and coconut oil. If you have oily skin, use less. You can also add other ingredients to the mask, such as aloe vera gel, oatmeal, or mashed banana, to customize it to your skin's needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.